The M-Door rugged tablet EM-T895 has an ultra-thin body, just 12.5 mm, and only 524 grams weight. With the slim design, the battery still has a 7000 mAh large capacity which can work for 8 hours. An 8-inch FHD high-definition screen is sufficient for most display demands. When it's low-powered, the Type-C interface provides fast charging. In addition, a charging base is also available. The front and rear cameras are 5 and 13 MPs. For the smart card reading needs of particular industries, the EM-T895 tablet is equipped with a multifunctional NFC. Runs on the Android 11 OS, a multitude of applications from the Android platform provide perfect practicability for commercial and industrial scenarios, such as field service, warehousing and logistics, retail stores, and production line maintenance.